This was a delightful little text that came to us this morning. It happens a lot. Good morning. Check out our water coming into the sump pump. Your work is appreciated. And then he's got a video here of the sump basin that we put in the middle of his crawl space. It's a crawl space with a cellar also, so we put a dehumidifier in the cellar and went underground into that pump, and water rushes in whenever there's a heavy rain. And here it is, February 2020, and just like 2019, we're looking at record rainfalls. The home was a complete flood zone disaster, and here it is under the worst of circumstances, working perfectly. We're at 423-967-6172, and our motto is twice the quality at half the cost. Bye now.